Done all this work and you've made a beautiful video and you're ready to use it, to share it. How do you do that? Well, iMovie has this great button right here called Share, and you just click on it. It gives you a lot of different options: Theater, email, iTunes, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, CNN, iReport, image, and file. So if you're working on a public computer, you don't want to be adding your video to the theater because it's just for you. But a bunch of the other options might be applicable. I wouldn't recommend using email because it will not usually the best way to share a video because a video file is usually pretty big. Again, iTunes is useful if you have your own computer and best for putting a copy of your movie on your iPhone, iPad, or share your video via Apple TV. But again, if you're on a computer that more than one people are using, such at a school, you don't want to be putting in iTunes. There's also YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and CNN, iReport. And with these are social media networks. You are required to create a free account before you can upload it. So if you select one of these options like YouTube, you'll have to sign in order to upload it to your YouTube account. And so that's one way to do that. There's also File right here, and that's if you just want to save the movie onto your computer. And here you can select the format, video and audio or audio only. You can select the resolution and the quality. And when you change these, you'll notice that the estimated size of your movie changes as well. You can also see how long your particular movie is that you are exporting, the duration. And remember, here's where you can add it to your theater, not to add it to your theater. By default, if you are on a public computer, don't add it to your theater. There's also custom right here, which allows you to sort of change the quality of your film, the bitrate of your movie, to see the estimate file size. So if you have a particular file size that you need it to be, you can use it right here to make sure it's under 70 megabytes, so that's something useful. There's also Best or ProRes, and you'll notice this is really a very large file, and this uses the ProRes codec for encoding files, which creates the largest file size and like the best quality. That's why it's called ProRes. And the last one is that you have up here is to share an image, and that's if you go to a particular area on your video, like I want an image of this file right here, this clip right here. So you bring your playhead to that area, you go into share and you click image, and this will allow you to share an image of that specific frame of your movie. So say I'm going to share my my video as a really low quality, so small size, low quality, very small. It's 8.42 megabytes. It's very small. When I click next, it asks me to name my file and save it where I want to save it. So I'm going to save it here. And then you'll notice this little button here. This is letting me know that it is processing my clip. And the longer your clip is, the longer this time will take. Now you'll notice once your video is fully processed to wherever it's going, you'll get this lovely little pop-up up here that's letting you know that your share was successful. It successfully exported my film, and now you are done sharing your video.